Hello and welcome to this new video on how to block someone on TikTok that has already blocked you. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to go to the source bar of your PC and type TikTok and press enter in the keyboard, and the TikTok application will be open right in front of you. So there isn't currently any features for you to block someone that has already blocked you on TikTok. There is only one way. If you have previously had a chat with that person, then you can go to your chat box and you can see their name and you can just block them by the method that you will block anyone that is just click on their name in your chat box, and after that there will be a three button sign on the right hand side. Just click on there and there will be a pop-up box open and there is an block option in the last. So you just have to click on the block option and you just have to click on the block and you will be able to block the person that has already blocked you. So if you haven't had a chat with that person previously, then there is no any features for you to block someone on TikTok that has already blocked you. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.